Well, guys and gals, where I'm at today is Greenfield, Tennessee. Let you see at the site of where the biggest bald cypress tree ever. You can read right there. But I'm gonna go on this nature walk out here. It fell down a few years back. Anybody, you can pause it and rewind to read the rest here. But just look at some of these pictures. There's a picture of it way back. Look, there's 18 feet marked on it. Big ass tree. Oof. Big Cypress State Park. But here we go. So I'm gonna start my way down through here, and as I come up on anything of interest, I'll cut back in. Well, here's one real quick. This is how you learn about your trees, guys and gals. Alright, here is a red maple. Now, one other thing going on is this asteroid's supposed to be able to be seen about 2:45 where I'm at coming in. So it's February 15th, 2013. There you go. Give you a good look of the red maple. And when that comes over, I'm kind of hoping to film it too. Alright, here's another one. Pecan tree. This ain't the best time to be showing them. I'm going to come back in the springtime and show all these trees. Through different seasons. And everybody knows what that is. Good firewood. But won't be burning anything out here. Alright. The winged elm tree. Get a good look at that bark on there. Now that's your telltale sign of your winged elm, something you can see. I don't know if you can see it here. There you go. You see how them branches, they got all them flakes coming off of it? Looks like wings almost on the sides. That gives you a good look at that. But what I'm doing is I'm trying to get up on my trees, which all seasons of the year you've got trees. Trees is your woodsman's best friend. Certain times of the year, you know, you got plants, and anybody that's going to have wilderness living or training. But the trees are always there. You can't always depend on those plants. Sumac. To me, a sumac's kind of got bark that favors what birch would look like, but not peeling, if that makes any sense. Somebody may go raising cane at me and tell me I'm full of it, but that's how I kind of tell them apart. got that little bark like that on there, and as you can see, there wouldn't be much to eat as far as weed wise. I think I can see a wild onion coming up over there. Alright. Well, I was going to cut it off, but they just got these signs everywhere with these trees. I'll get this one out to 10 minutes. This will probably be a little boring one, you know, one of those learning videos. And I'm learning with you. Like I say, this ain't the best time of year, but this will give you a view of what they look like in the winter. Alright, here's another. Black cherry. I ain't even going to attempt to pronounce the scientific word. Now, the outer bark on these favor a pine a little, but they also are a little peely looking and looks like burnt skin in certain spots of it. Not all, but as you can see there. And it sticks on there pretty good. It don't peel off real easy. And I don't want to peel it off. I don't want to hurt these trees out here at all. This is one of those things that I have to give credit to the state of Tennessee of providing places like this for us to go and to learn. Alright. Now, yeah, I don't want to get real close, but there's your poison ivy. Yeah, them look like some pretty vines that you could use to use as cordage, but you won't do it but once. Well, it's poison ivy all in there. But you see those leaves on there? That's poison ivy right there, boys and girls. Now, I don't know if it's this time of year, but certain times of year there's a plant that grows beside poison ivy, and I'll have to get back home and look that up and let y'all know that will counteract the oils that make you itch like crazy in poison ivy. Poison oak's usually the same way. A lot of times there's a cure. Right close. They grow together a lot of times. Sweet gum. Yeah, you'll look at them and a lot of you think, damn, a lot of them looks the same, but there's a lot of different stuff. The thing on the sweet gum, and I can't zoom in, but here we go. That is what falls from a sweet gum tree. Now everybody can remember it, because everybody knows what these dudes feel like if you're walking around barefoot outside. So, that right there is your telltale sign of a sweet gum. And like I say, we'll come back in the springtime. There's another big old sweet gum back in there. And take a look at them and see how they've come along. The sassafras, that's the ones there. That's what you need to see right there. You see that on a lot of them. Those little twists. That's what your bark looks like. Somebody done been out here scraping on this, and dummies. See, I'm at 9:17 on this video. I'll show you one more, and then we'll get on to part 2. The persimmon tree's good for a lot of uses. You see the bark, and everybody knows what persimmons look like. It's probably the biggest damn persimmon tree I ever seen. But I'm gonna cut you off there and pick up another one, and we will continue on our guided tour of Big Cypress National Park.